Namaste. You're watching Knowledge Updates on Rasika Belief. Life is to keep on learning by Rasika Dikshit Hatolkar. Today, my subject is English and my topic is grammar. Continuing with the kinds of noun, this is the fourth kind, where I have shared with you previously the three kinds of noun: collective noun, proper noun, common noun. And today I am going to share with you is abstract noun. What is abstract noun? Where we use it? How we can identify it in the sentence? What is the meaning and definition of it? All you are going to learn in this video. So stay tuned till the end. But before that, as I keep on telling you always, don't forget to subscribe my channel, click on a bell icon, like, comment and share to all my videos. Now we are also available on the social platforms like Facebook, Twitter and Instagram for more knowledge updates and written notes. So do follow us over there also. Thank you so much. In this video, we are going in a sequence. I am going to share with you is introduction of abstract noun, meaning of abstract noun, definition of abstract noun and examples of abstract noun. Now let's start with the introduction of abstract noun. Introduction, I want you all to see the picture so you get familiar. Introduction is getting familiar to the concept, to the topic. See the picture carefully. See, you can see a person with a very angry mood, friends having a tea time and students reading, anger, friendship, education. These are the abstract noun. Now how are these abstract noun? Noun is the name of a person, place, animal, thing, correct? So these are not the name of any person, place, animal or thing. See the meaning of abstract noun to get the more clear picture. Meaning of abstract noun: a noun that refers to a thing that does not exist as a material object. I repeat, meaning of abstract noun: a noun that refers to a thing that does not exist as a material object. The abstract noun is something you cannot sense. आपके जो 5 senses है उन्हें सेंस नहीं कर सकते हैं, जो हमें दिखाई नहीं देती, सुंगाई नहीं देती, सुनाई नहीं देती और हमें छूने पर महसूस नहीं होती। ऐसी जो वस्तु होती है, ऐसी जो चीज़ होती है, उसे एब्स्ट्रैक्ट कहते हैं। और सी केयरफुली, it is something helpful to think of an abstract noun as a word that names something that you cannot see, hear, touch, smell or taste. That is something you cannot perceive with one of your 5 senses. For example, consideration, parenthood, belief, anger. चलो डेफिनेशन देखते हैं ताकि हमारा थोड़ा सा कंसेप्ट और अच्छे से क्लियर हो जाए. So definition of abstract noun. Definition of abstract noun: a noun denoting an idea, quality or state rather than a concrete object. Example: truth, danger, happiness. I repeat, a noun denoting an idea, quality or state rather than a concrete object. Example: truth, danger, happiness. Isn't it interesting? देखिए, एक आइडिया, एक क्वालिटी और एक स्टेट. एक आइडिया, एक क्वालिटी, एक स्टेट, ये जो भी चीज होती है ये एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन होती है. Now let's see the examples in a word form, not in a sentence. Okay, let's see first with the word form examples. Examples of abstract noun: love, peace, fear, freedom, dream, anger, joy, misery, friendship, pride. I repeat: love, peace, fear, freedom, dream, anger, joy, misery, friendship, pride. These are all feelings. Now let's see more examples in the word form only, but with the definition. Now in the definition it says quality. Okay, now let's see the examples of quality. Quality: goodness, kindness, beauty, intelligence, generosity, cleverness, obedience, honesty, brightness, wisdom, bravery, courage, hardness, softness. Action: laughter, theft, movement, judgment. State: childhood, boyhood, manhood, youth, slavery, sickness, poverty, death, sleep. The names of arts and science are also abstract nouns. Examples are physics, chemistry, grammar, music. Now see, these are your subjects which you study, that also in deep most of the time. But these are the examples of abstract noun. Let's make the sentences with the help of the abstract noun words. Okay, we have seen the examples, the words of the abstract noun before. Now we will make the sentences with the same words. Love. Love is wonderful thing. Peace. Let there be peace on earth. Fear. I was full of fear. Freedom. Freedom is important to people in the United States. Dream. I had a dream last night. Anger. His anger caused him to yell. Joy. Here, her face was full of joy. Misery. I could feel the misery in his palm. Friendship. Our friendship has lasted from many years. Pride. Do you feel the pride? We have seen the examples in the word form. We have seen the examples with the definitions stated, quality and action. We have seen the examples with the words in a sentence form. Now I am going to share with you is how some abstract form are formed from the other parts of speech or other grammatical concepts. Be very clear, listen carefully and you will get it. It's really very easy. Abstract noun can be formed from adjectives, verbs and common nouns. Let's see the examples from adjectives. Kindness from kind, bravery from brave, illness from ill, honesty from honest. Now let's see few examples. The abstract noun formed from the verb. Obedience from obey. Growth from grow. Pleasure from please. Now let's see some example from abstract noun formed from common noun. Childhood from child. Slavery from slave. See. So here we have seen the introduction, some pictures which will help us to get the idea of abstract noun, meaning, definition, justifying to all the pictures we have seen, then examples in a word form, then along with the definition, quality, action, state, and then the examples with the word form in a sentence, And then we have seen how the abstract noun is formed from the another grammatical concepts like adjectives, verbs, or common noun. So all these we have seen today in this video. You need to just do is pause the videos, write it down, repeat it again, read it again, write it again, watch the video again and again, and stay tuned to Rasika Believe channel. I will be coming soon with my fifth kind of noun. Do follow us now on the other platforms also for the written notes, what I will be sharing with you over there. And see you soon. Bye bye.